The fastest way to dominate the fast food industry is not to sell every day, but to deliberately refuse service on the very day customers crave it most. While competitors like McDonald's exhaust their operations 7 days a week, Chick-fil-A violently slams its doors shut every single Sunday. They willingly bleed tens of millions of dollars weekly. The empirical result? Their per-restaurant revenue absolutely crushes every competitor that never sleeps. This capitalist empire was not built on the pampering of endless variety, but on extreme, unyielding stubbornness. A whole chicken breast, marinated for exactly 24 hours, trapped inside a buttered bun with precisely 2 cheap slices of pickle. Billions of dollars in profit are algorithmically generated from just 2 pickles and a permanent weekend ban. While Chick-fil-A relies on predictable scarcity, Popeyes proved in 2019 that weaponized scarcity can incite literal violence. Launching their new chicken sandwich, they injected a contagious strain of consumer panic directly into the American bloodstream. Within just 2 weeks, every location nationwide completely sold out. This sudden disappearance stripped away societal logic, sparking bloody brawls and resulting in a fatal stabbing in Maryland over the last sandwich. From a corporate perspective, a fast food item causing a homicide became the most ruthless, successful marketing trigger in history. It forced terrified titans like McDonald's into a blind panic. A brand that nearly went bankrupt in its first month successfully orchestrated an unprecedented billion-dollar media hurricane. If Popeyes used accidental scarcity, Wendy's deployed a far more calculated and brutal weapon, marketing by deprivation. In 2017, they abruptly wiped their spicy nuggets from existence without a single explanation. Millions of consumers were instantly jolted from comfortable routine into a state of intense digital outrage. When the internet's fury peaked, Wendy's executed the perfect psychological trap. They held the beloved item hostage, forcing the angry mob to publicly beg by demanding 2 million Twitter likes for its resurrection. Customers celebrated the return as a victory, completely blind to the fact that Wendy's had just proven a ruthless corporate truth. Threatening to permanently erase a product engineers a much deeper, fanatical loyalty than any expensive ad campaign. McDonald's McNuggets were never designed as culinary art. They are a ruthless algorithm engineered inside a laboratory. In 1979, food scientist Roger Baker was not trying to cook better chicken. He solved a molecular puzzle, discovering how to permanently lock batter to meat cells to survive violent industrial fryers. The ultimate corporate manipulation lies in their 4 iconic shapes: the bell, boot, ball, and bone. These are not playful designs. They are a strict spatial geometry equation. Calculated to the millimeter, these exact shapes ensure uniform thickness, guaranteeing millions of frozen blocks fry to a precise temperature simultaneously. You are not chewing a meal. You are consuming a perfectly executed mathematical blueprint. The illusion of extreme security is the most potent psychological drug KFC ever invented. Harlan Sanders was never a culinary genius. He was a systems engineer who designed the first globally standardized frying mechanism. The legendary 11 herbs and spices is a flawless, theatrical act of national security. By locking a basic recipe inside a steel vault at their Kentucky headquarters, dictating that only 2 anonymous executives know it, and strictly forbidding them from sharing the same flight in case of a fatal crash, KFC successfully brainwashed the planet. They force consumers to believe they are purchasing an irreplicable, magical heritage. In reality, it is just millions of tons of mass-produced, industrialized salty flour. Fabricated mystery remains the most expensive spice in history. While giant corporations manipulate molecular science or media outrage, Raising Cane's weaponizes extreme corporate stubbornness. Founder Todd Graves pitched a business plan that banks and universities literally laughed out of the room. His concept seemed financially suicidal, a menu permanently restricted to exactly 1 item. Forced into the brutal labor of Alaskan commercial fishing to raise his own capital, Graves engineered a billion-dollar revenge against the financial establishment. By violently eliminating consumer choice, he successfully eradicated decision fatigue. You do not enter Cane's to think, you enter to transact. Operating over 800 locations, this ruthlessly optimized system proves that perfecting 1 narrow operation utterly annihilates the fast food illusion of variety. The brutal strategies of the fast food empire reveal a profound truth about modern human psychology. We are driven not by logical choices, but by engineered scarcity, fabricated mystery, and the overwhelming illusion of variety. The overarching message behind the chaos of chicken sandwich wars and scientifically molded nuggets is that true dominance in a saturated market rarely comes from offering more. It comes from fiercely controlling how and when you deliver value. From a personal perspective, these corporate manipulations serve as a stark warning about how easily our attention and loyalty are hijacked by calculated psychological traps. However, we can reverse engineer these exact mechanisms to survive and thrive in our own highly competitive environments. In the relentless arena of digital content creation and personal branding, the pressure to constantly produce and chase every fleeting algorithmic trend is a trap that completely dilutes your true impact. The concrete solution is to architect your professional life with the unyielding stubbornness of Raising Cane's and the calculated boundaries of Chick-fil-A. Instead of burning out by trying to be everything to everyone, violently eliminate the unnecessary. Master one highly specific, signature format, whether it is a distinct narrative structure, a meticulously crafted visual aesthetic, or a highly focused persona, and execute it with uncompromising precision. Do not be afraid to create intentional scarcity. Stepping back from the relentless daily posting grind to fiercely protect the quality of your creative process generates a magnetic anticipation that constant digital noise can never replicate. By deliberately restricting your output to a singular, perfected craft, you eradicate decision fatigue for your audience. You stop being just another disposable option in an endless, scrolling feed and transform your work into an undeniable, enduring necessity.